So in this short video, I want to show you how to use Microsoft Whiteboard in your Teams meetings. Microsoft Whiteboard is a digital canvas where you can brainstorm, maybe collect ideas, create and collaborate with others in your online meetings. You can see here I'm in a meeting with Mary, and we're going to work on some ways we can use Microsoft Teams to improve our productivity. So I'm just going to close the participants window here so I can maximize my screen. So to actually look at, to get Microsoft Whiteboard, I need to go to the Share Content and open up my shared content. Here's where I might select my screen or a particular program, but I'm going to go across to the right and you'll see Whiteboard here. Whiteboard needs to be enabled by IT, but usually it's a default. So you can go ahead, open Whiteboard. It then will open up Microsoft Whiteboard inside the Teams window. Now it's important to see that when you're using Microsoft Whiteboard, you're not using the full functionality of the app. You can open any app here, and there's much more functionality. For the purposes of this video, I'm not going to do that, but you can either get the Windows app or open the app. All parties would need to do this. If they get the app or open the app, then you can then work inside the app, still inside the Teams window, but with the app. But for the purposes of this short video, I won't worry about that. You can play with that later, but I'll just show you basically how it works. So you can see that I can add a note, add some text, and then different colored pens and an eraser. So you can come up here to add a note, but actually I can just right click anywhere and add a note. And then I might start typing. However, I've already prepared some text here. So I'm going to pop my text in here. And once you click outside that, you can move this to wherever you like. It's quite interactive. If you want to go back and edit, click the Edit Text button. And now what I will do is just ask everybody to enter a box. Let's start a box up. I'll start my box out here. A text box with my ideas. So I'll just pop in here, Jeff's ideas, and ask Mary to do the same. Now she'd be doing the same thing normally. However, she's not really on the call, so I'll do that here. So Mary's ideas. And pop that up there. And now we can brainstorm some ideas. So I could ask my team to do that. If I want to edit, you go back into the edit here, hit enter, and I might say it's good for meetings, maybe calls. Mary would be doing the same at the same time, of course, but I have to stop what I'm doing to do that. So she might say share docs, share documents, and perhaps collaborate, etc. And once she clicks out of it, I'll see what she's written as well. And you can see that we can then keep going with this. We could be talking about this. What other ideas are there, team? Everyone could have their little text box here, or perhaps add sticky notes. You can add more than one sticky note anywhere you like, of course, and type some more information here. You can also use a pen if you've got a pen enabled device. I happen to have one on here, so I could maybe grab my red pen and even inside something here could start typing some words in here. All right, or perhaps just use it as a bit of a brainstorm thing to be actually communicating as we're going. And Mary could do the same thing had she had a pen enabled device as well. So I hope you can sort of see how interactive it is. As I said, I encourage you to open up in the app, try it in the app. You can download Microsoft Whiteboard in the Windows Store and just experiment with that. And but that might be a video for another day. But it's definitely worth trying. It's more functional, of course, inside the app. But the more people you have, the more value it is. So I hope that's helpful. And thank you for listening.